Wallmark on the drop. Leave it for Svechnikov, pulling his way to the goal. He scores. Andrei Svechnikov pulls in it as they head forward. Wallmark slap pass. Svechnikov has made it 3-2. A lot of deception.
Warren Foegele. Indirect pass out for Slavin. Steered to the front. They score! Braden Holtby couldn't get himself set. Curls back. Plays it to the line. Williams with a shot with Aho jamming. He scores! Off the glass. Sebastian Aho puts it off the skate of Holtby and in. On the power play. Hamilton walking. Scores! A deflected shot from Dougie Hamilton. Low to high. Ball from the point. Stout. They score! It leaks through Holtby. Justin Falk from downtown. Conley sends it back. Picked off by Teuvo Teravainen. Carolina through center. Moving up on the play. Teravainen wide open through the slot. Oh, there's Foegele. They score! That's hockey, baby! Slavin dancing. Near point, Dougie Hamilton. Back for Slavin. He'll advance on Miller. Through the slot. Stall. Hamilton. A shot. A goal! Dougie Hamilton! My goodness! Tonight, Borges out in front. He's on it. He bams on it. Back to the near point. Slavin. Far point. Hamilton. Here it comes. They score! Dougie Hamilton with another bomb. It's carried in the zone. Again, straight in. He scores! Along the boards, collected by Jacob Slavin, and the Canes are out. Williams right out in front, and Slavin for Foegele, who scores! Warren Foegele right off the hop. The Canes come storming. Foegele scores again. 1-0. Carolina out to center. 32 seconds left in the second. Niederreiter in front. A chance. They score! Teuvo Teravainen!
That one deflects out to the line off the stick of Baxter. Hurricanes with another opportunity. Hamilton's shot is blocked. Penalty is over. Foegele shoots. He scores! And that first goal, now the puck knocked down into the capital zone. Good stick by Jahan there defensively. Out in front it comes. The Hurricanes tie it. Carolina 2-2.
Well, this all started about 180 feet away from Brandon Hawk in front. Puck is loose. They score! Stall! 3-2 Carolina.
Moves it back out to the left point. That shot deflected. Score! Justin Williams. 4-2 Carolina. And then forced out by Walmart. Ovechkin hits the ice. Carried back to the line by Connolly. Blocked off. Empty net. Hamilton shoots. He scores! Sebastian Aho joined by Teravainen. Aho close one on goal. Short-handed chance. He scores!
Talk about a team that's been hanging.
Now a shot by McGinn misses the net.
Boy, it looked like Holtby was just a little bit off his angle there. McGinn hits the net. I think it's at the back of the net.
Here's Pesce into the slot. Turnaround shot. Score! Teravainen. Again, it is a one-goal game.
What a release from Teuvo.
Here comes Jordan Staal with a shot. He scores! Staal ties the game at 3.
Quick up decision here by Carolina.
Wilson couldn't get his stick on the puck. Hurricanes keep it alive. Williams towards the net. Score! The Carolina Hurricanes win Game 7. Justin Williams comes up big once again in a Game 7. Looked like McKen got a piece of it in front. Set up by Williams. The Hurricanes eliminate the defending Stanley Cup champs in round one.